What's up, guys? GNCRC back once again with another video. So it's about that time, guys. It is time for me to go ahead and get rid of some of these rigs that I have. So the first one that we're gonna raffle off is gonna be this one. And as once you guys know, I still have the box. The box that actually came in. I never got a chance to run this thing. I actually took it out one day and I forgot the radio because I'm so used to using my own radio. So you're gonna get the box, the case, the instructions, the manual. You're gonna get the rig. As you can tell, never driven, not one scratch. It's been open, but it's in brand new condition, you would say. Batteries in here. It's been unplugged and everything. Only time it was driven was on this desk. The one time that I brought it to the channel. Radio, of course. And the charger. That's everything that it comes with. So that's gonna be the first thing that I'm gonna raffle off. With this raffle, guys, we are going to use PayPal because more people said they would like to use PayPal. So my PayPal will be in the link. This particular raffle, we're gonna do $5 spots. So of course it's gonna be $5 one ticket, 2 tickets will be $10, 3 will be $15, 4 will be $20. We will raffle this thing off on next Friday. Today is Tuesday, the 17th. We're gonna raffle it off on live on the 27th. I am trying to get to a certain dollar amount, which I will disclose to you guys once it does get to that dollar amount. Well, I'll just tell you guys. So we're gonna do, my goal is to do $55 spots, which is put it at $250, but that's gonna cover the shipping and everything else. If I can get to 45, I am perfectly fine with that as well. That's $225, which should take care of the shipping, $25. I think I paid $189 plus tax. Once I raffle it off, all the money is gonna go back into the channel, of course, because I got some stuff that's coming for my other bills. So this is the first one we're gonna raffle, and you guys know we got more on the way. I got more giveaways on the way, so make sure you stay tuned. Also want to thank you guys for all your support. I want to thank you guys for always joining the lives, jumping on and showing your bills and everything. Make sure you get entered to this raffle because this may be one of yours soon. So thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, this is GNCRC.